Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, my dear students. Today, I am going to teach you an excellent lesson, Sambhashana Parichayaha. What is meant by Sambhashana Parichayaha? That means introduction of conversation. Introduction of conversation. Okay, children? Now, first I will read the meanings, then I will explain you the meaning. Okay, listen here. Dhavati, runs. Gacchati, goes. Pashyati, sees. Pibati, drinks. Khadati, eats. Kridati, plays. Tvam, you. Vayam, we are. Te, they are. Aham, I. Saha, he. Yuyam, you are. Okay, children? Now, listen to the lesson, children. Tava nama kim. What is meant by Tava nama kim? Tava nama kim means, what is your name? What is your name? Mama nama Ramaha. That means, my name is Ram. Okay, children? Then, I am kaha. Who is he? I am Mama Pita. He is my father. Okay, children? Then, Iyam ka. Iyam ka means, who is she? Okay? Iyam Mama Mata. She is my mother. Idam kim. What is this? Idam phalam. This is a fruit. Then, Aham dhavami. Aham dhavami means, I run. Okay, children? Then, aham gacchami. What is meant by aham gacchami? Aham gacchami means, I go, I walk. Okay, children? Then, tvam gacchasi. Tvam gacchasi means, you are going. Okay, children? Then, saha gacchati. Saha gacchati means, he goes. Okay, children? He is going. Then, aham pashyami. Aham pashyami means, I see. Okay, children? I am seeing. Tvam suryam pashyasi. What is by that? You are seeing the sun. Okay, children? Then, saha suryam pashyati. What is by that? He is seeing the sun. Okay, children? Then, aham jalam pibami. What is by aham jalam pibami? I drink water. Okay, then tvam jalam pibasi. That means you drink water. You are drinking water. Okay, then saha jalam pibati. What is by saha jalam pibati? That means he is drinking water. Okay, then vayam phalam khadamaha. What is by vayam phalam khadamaha? That means we all eating fruit. We all are eating fruit. Okay, then yuyam annam khadata. That means you all are eating food. Okay, then te annam khadanti. That means they are eating food. Okay, then vayam deepam pashyamaha. What is meant by vayam? Vayam means we. Vayam deepam pashyamaha. That means we are seeing the lamp. Okay, children? Then yuyam deepam pashyatha. What is meant by that? You all are seeing the lamp. Okay, children? Then te deepam pashyanti. That means they all are seeing the lamp. Okay, children? Then the next one, vayam kridamaha. What is meant by vayam kridamaha? Vayam kridamaha means we are playing. Okay, then we all are playing. Then yuyam kridatha. What is meant by yuyam kridatha? You all are playing. Okay, then te kridanti. What is meant by te kridanti? They all are playing. Okay, then vayam patham likhamaha. What is meant by vayam patham likhamaha? We all are writing the book, the lesson. Okay, children? Then yuyam patham likhata. That means you all are writing the lesson. Okay. Then the last sentence, te patham likhanti. That means they all are writing the lesson. Okay, children? Now, there are some questions here. I am kaha. You say, children, who is he? The boy said, right? I am mama pita. Okay, children? Then, iyam ka. Iyam ka means iyam mama mata. Okay. Then, saha kim pibati. You have to write saha jalam pibati. Okay, children? Then, aham dash. What you will write, children? Aham dhavami. This is the first one. Aham dhavami. Then, tvam suryam dash. What will come? Pibasi, pibati, kridati. Which one will come? Yes, you are right. Pibasi. Okay. So, this is the second one. Then the third one, saha jalam dash. You say, children? Pibati. Yes, you are right. Saha jalam pibati. Then the last one, saha dash. Saha, the last option, kridati. Okay, children? Saha kridati. Then they have given some opposites. Listen here. Mama tava. What does mean mama? Mama means my. Tava means your. Okay, children? Then atra tatra. What do you mean by that? Atra means here. Tatra means there. Okay, children? Then gacha agacha. What do you mean by gacha? Gacha means to go. Agacha means to come. Okay, children? Then here they have given a dhatu, dhav dhatu. What is the meaning for the dhatu dhav? To run. Okay, children? Dhavati, dhavataha, dhavanti. Dhavasi, dhavathah, dhavatha. Dhavami, dhavavaha, dhavamaha. Okay, children?